press with the kettlebell is very simple. We're just going to stand back behind it like so. We're gonna make a triangle with our feet and our kettlebell. Standing behind it, we're going to grab the kettlebell with one hand. We're going to keep our back straight as if we're holding a broomstick on our back to keep it nice and straight. So keep your back nice and straight. You're gonna grab that kettlebell. You're gonna hike it in between your legs like so. You're gonna bring it up to your shoulder. Then you're going to press. That's one. Alright, so as you can see here, my phone glitched, so I had to go delete some videos, pictures, all types of good stuff. So anyways, here we go. I got 4 in on my right side, so we're gonna go ahead and finish off the 26 remaining reps. Again, stand in a triangle shaped position behind your kettlebell, hike it in between your legs, bring it up by your shoulder, and press. Gonna be doing this for the remainder of the 30 rep challenge that I have for myself since, again, I turned 30 years old as of today. What a great way. Instead of spankings, we do cleaning presses. that's it. That's it. I honestly do not think that I could do all that 30 like that. Not gonna lie, it was really tough. I usually stick to doing just regular rep counts with this, with the 35. Typically just do with this weight, with this 35 here. I typically just keep it like a rep count of 16 only. Just trying to build, some muscle. Just maintain what muscle I have. And then, yeah, with the other kettlebell, I believe that's wait, it's my very first official one. Oh, it's a 25 pound. It's a 25 pound one from Target. I believe I paid $80 for this 25 pound one from Target. You can literally get on the Target app on your phone. You can put a filter in to where it'll tell you what's in stock at your Target location. I rarely have ever seen a 30 pound. Originally I wanted a 30 pound, I'd go to Target, it wouldn't be there because people buy it right away, which does not surprise me because the spike in at-home workouts and fitness and people wanting to stay in shape, especially with these times right now with COVID and stuff like that. A lot of people are wanting to stay in shape and get healthy now, since we're learning that that's what prevents you from contracting disease. I mean, I'm not stating that if you work out, you will have a bulletproof immune system. I'm not saying that whatsoever, because I myself, about 2 months ago, I caught COVID myself, and I tell you what, that was not fun. I lost 10 pounds. I was 147. After the 2 weeks of laying in bed, sick, deathly ill, the sickest I've ever been in my whole entire life. I just laid in bed, ate. I literally had only energy to just make myself, because me and my wife, we both caught it, but she was only half vaccinated at the time, but now she's fully vaccinated, so yes, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I hope I taught you something. If I did, please feel free to like and consider subscribing. And with that being said, until next time, my friends, this is Justin with Pariah Realm Fitness. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a happy Thanksgiving, and yeah, keep pushing. You gotta get up and do the thing. Just get up and do the thing, all right? All right, sounds good. All right, have a good one.